Hey everybody, welcome back to Artbeat Creativity. Hope you all are doing great. I know it's been a long time that I was not able to upload any videos due to some personal reasons, but now Artbeat Creativity is back with lots of new ideas, home styling and home makeover videos. So do not miss on any upcoming videos. So for that, what you need to do is subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon so that you do not miss on any of my latest videos. Diwali, the most awaited festival that brings a lot of glow and happiness to every home. Time to remove negative vibrations and bring in new thoughts. So, are you looking for unique and graceful ideas of decorating your homes? Then let's go and beautify your home in a very unique and creative way along with us. So without delay, let's get started. In today's episode, I will teach you different ways how you can create beautiful candles, holders and decorate your home for this festival season. So let's go. For the next DIY, I have made a hanging candle holder. So here I have taken a used mason jar. You can use jam bottles and anything that is available. To hang the mason jar, I have used a jute thread wrapped around it so that I can hang the mason jar easily and decorated it with some dry flowers. And last, you have to put in your tea light candle into it. If you do not have any candles, diyas or wax at home, All you need to take is a jar which is transparent, add some water, and then onto the water you have to pour some oil. And to make the wick, cut out a round cutting of a plastic and then add cotton wick to it and lit the candle. And you have a beautiful floating candle to light up your home. You liked all the different ways of DIYs and home styling tips that I have shared today. So this festival season, go creative and beautify your home for the festival season. And if you are new to my channel, as I told you, do not forget to subscribe. And you can also follow me in my Instagram ID, which is mentioned below. So see you next time with more unique, creative and stylish videos for your home. So till then, stay safe, be happy and bye-bye.